Omarchy Linux. It sounds like a failed government system, but it's actually just Arch Linux, without the suffering. Normal Arch users spend 8 hours in a terminal just to end up with a black screen. Omarchy says, "Nah bro, here's a desktop. You're welcome." It's basically Arch on training wheels. Same rolling releases, same package manager, but now your grandma could install it. And by install, I mean click next 3 times and suddenly you're in Arch Linux. It's so easy, you'll feel like you cheated on a test. It even comes with some pre-installed software out of the box, so you don't waste your first day downloading a text editor. But don't get too comfortable. Omarchy can still break after an update. Because hey, you wanted Arch, remember? The difference is, instead of crying in the terminal, you'll cry in a fully themed GNOME desktop. Much prettier. It's also pretty good for developers, since you get Arch's giant package ecosystem without having to set up everything by hand. Is it real Arch? Technically, yes. Will Arch purists respect you? Absolutely not. You'll be banned from saying, "I use Arch, by the way."